Hello everybody, today I have this 2012 Freightliner Cascadia. It has a bad differential. In this case, the rear end is the one that is damaged. You can hear it. It has a big damage. I'm gonna remove all the bolts around the differential, so I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, the differential is down. I use the cherry picker to drop the differential. I can see the damage over there, you can see. So I want to take the differential out of the frame to inspect it to find the cause of this problem. Okay, the differential is out. Now I can see the damage of it. You can see the bearing is completely gone. There is no bearing at all. See, the race still here, but it's loose. But I can see it's open from this side. You see it's way open. It's supposed to be this way, like this. But there is no ball. The head of the ball is completely gone, as you can see. The thread is still here, but the head of the ball is completely gone. So this is the reason why this differential went bad. The ball got broken and the bearing got loose and start making this problem. So in this case, this is not a driver's fault. This is a defect from manufacturer. So too bad and this happened to the differential. Anyway, so now it's time to get a new differential to install it. But in the meantime, I wanna clean the housing. You see, this is the thread that locks the bearing on place. It got loose. So I'm going to clean all the before installing the new differential. And I'm gonna clean the surface, the gasket surface here. Okay, the differential housing is clean, as you can see now. And the hubs are clean, as you can see. There is no metal pieces around. If the metal comes all the way over here, you will need to remove the bearings and replace the wheel seal and clean the bearings. And I have the new differential here. I wanna clean the differential. I wanna clean all the surface. I wanna inspect them all is on place. There is no noises around. And I'm gonna get it under the frame so I can install it on the differential housing. Okay, the differential is inside the frame. Now I'm going to use the chain and the cherry picker to make its way all the way up to the housing. But before doing that, I'm going to apply some silicone around the sealing area of the housing and the differential. Okay, the differential is inside the housing. Now all I need to do is to align the orifices with the housing. Okay, the differential is on place, as you can see. Now I'm going to remove the chain and I'm gonna fully seat the differential and I'm gonna install all the bolts and I'm gonna tie them. Okay, the differential is on place, it's tight, all the bolts are tight. Now I'm going to install the jog and the dry line. And I'm going to install the axles with the new gaskets. Okay, everything is back on place, the dry line, the jog is tight, and all the differential bolts are tight. Double check all the time. Now I'm going to put the tires back together. The last thing to do is to add the differential oil. This is the differential oil I'm going to be using for this truck. So the differential is full with new oil. Now I'm just gonna double check everything. All the bolts are tight. And I already applied grease to the U-joints, to all the U-joints. Also, I replaced the oil on the second axle too, to prevent any damage to it. So now it's just time to start the engine. Okay, now with the engine running, I'm going to press the clutch and I'm going to do the first gear, and I'm going to apply some torque to the differential to see if I hear any noise. So everything looks okay. Now the next step is just to take the truck for a test ride. And this is pretty much all I'm going to show you about the differential replacement. In this case, this is the rear differential. If you have any questions about this video, just comment below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.